Happy Valentine. Have you enjoy yourself? I'm still on it too. I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying myself. Yes, so we are back. Cheers, guys. You see, this matter be not want talk, but if I not talk, you know me, I know they feel pretend. I be not want talk, but my belly they bite me everywhere. They bite me here, bite me. He hold me since here, hold me. Oh God, here can't hold me. You know, say if here hold you, now it was pass. As here hold me, as my Lord say, release what you have in your stomach. If not, the stomach will continue squeezing. Yes, this mama, the mama, it's a matter of working aggressive your salary. Yes, so happy Valentine. And happy birthday. Happy birthday and Valentine. Yes, message to Monica everywhere. Yes, so everywhere topic. If you can't listen, you get out of here. If you do any clear message here, if I not block you, call me Allah. What to be your own? May I see any comment here? I'm not going to read anybody comment. Pass for insult comments. And when I say I not read down, just put her a block. If you call me, open me, I not open you. You like my face? It's natural. I know the bleach. It's natural. You can see where the white part, the black, everywhere. Natural beauty. That's what I have. Yes, so happy Valentine, darling. How are you guys doing? I hope you people are doing great. May I dance? You know, say I must dance. Hey! I say, arriba, gmon. Il make me okay, little. Il. Il make me okay, little. Ilo, the boss lady. Eu geleteu. Ilo. Ouvi essa em sério. Bueno, go. We ma le bo gongon. Ba kan na je. I'm the boss lady. I'm the boss lady. Me. Now me be the boss lady. Nobody else. Hey. Yes. Today, I'm the boss lady, the woman leader, the motivational speaker. This me. I'm the motivational speaker, the women leader who motivates women. Ogbori avese. Ogbi avese, ogbi merese. Ogbori avese. Ogbori avese. Una see my eye be. See my eyes. Okay. Let me pause. Evening, everyone. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Let me on this my camera to see. People know they let you see my TikTok now. This. Mona not vessel. First of all, before I go play Monica video, let me tell Monica one thing. Money, obvious and wife for real. First of all, I will tell you if the hotel is for you, yeah. I will first of all tell you congratulations. Me or Pika person, I tell you congratulations. You know why? They say, if you like my own, I will like you. But I will not wait for you to like what I have before I will tell you congratulations. Make I speak broken English. Like say, now broken go good pass. For broken, now it will sweet me pass. Me, I no go wait. Make you tell me, say, congratulations before I go tell you congratulations. Una know why Belle no let me taste it. I be not really want talk, but it gets some few words when it make me want talk. Una remember, is it not 2 years ago, right? Or yeah, is it 2 years ago? Or last year? Is it last year? No, it's 2 years ago. As I did London, I look up, I look down. I go Germany the same thing because I be traveler. I can't say no. Let me do something back home. Because I see so many people, they are suffering. Especially when I go my village, it still remains the same. But I know say my people, they food Benin, Enya. You see Enya area, now it shall dominate that place. I get that Enya. Because we shall now, we take that one from Benin. We are the owner of that Enya. If you ask me why, I will tell you, if you go Enya, no single Benin house there, or Naishan land. They say where you near. From there now, would they draw ourselves the would dominate Benin people finish. Now me tell them say, it's not good like that. You leave your village where bush dey. Bush full everywhere. They can't drag everywhere. No everywhere. You go first of all feel your side, feel am, make it full. Before they can't drag everywhere. Now I say Benin people, before you come the waka go Oshogbo, Ore, this thing. Why you not make Benin full? Bush still there. Village is still there. Usain village there. What do they call them? Many places there for Benin. Where be say bush full. No, they not do something good. They do go another everywhere. Some Benin and Ishan people, if they not stay Lagos stock, I call them stockwest. They go Abuja, go do stockwest stick. Now it make me be carry and come with my people. If me wrong, tell me say I wrong. As I dey talk, I go dey drink my apple juice. So now I go carry and come. Really, Benin people come they do something. The place where they abandoned before, they come they do. Ishan people come they run and scatter. They go they do their I can't they happy. Say, oh, these people don't still wake them up. They really can't they do. As they do and they go, It be like say if I dey do that program, the program can't dey full. After that one, I can't say, me know my people. Some not sabi save money. Make I teach them how to save money. When I can't teach people how to save money, I don't know the problem when me and they can't get me and Monica, whether me and Monica because me and Lolo not too much they get. Now buy person case now Lolo they go buy am. You not to try go buy am. Now they can't come and say, hey, just continue to do this program how to save money. Continue. It's very good. Oh, among the program where you do how to save money when you teach people they like and that's if they take advice for instance. Me I still content they say now so me too they take some advice for Mona. After not be when they want to insult me, they tell me say my 2 flats, big one, my flat, if to say I did the way that they manufacture that flat, you go reach like 3 flats. It's 2-bedroom flats. What do they call them? Is it flat? Whatever. How do they call them now? You know that they see 1 flat. So, how do they call them? Is it not 2 flats? Yes. I can't build 2 flats for Isha Lando village. Because say my brother die, my mama can say, make me quick, repair 1 side. If to say the time when my brother died, I show na the house, my mama just met 1 room inside. It's met 1 room. They just seal 1 room. Nah. They say make I lie down there. Because make it not come be say my enemy in no sleep house. Because the one way senior me and they do competition on house. Now they hear me. That my brother, now me and they do competition. Even na me motivate that my brother. Because he get house for Calabar. He buy. Now big man. So me I come and say, brother, why you go buy house for Calabar? When you say you not get for Ishan. So he can't go buy for my past side. He say he won't use that place for hotel. Now I come and say, no, another one still there. No say my past side there. Nobody go take her for your side. Me, the one way they my mass side, more quick finish. Now we can't really do one. You understand? If we do competition, me and that my brother. So when he come down, they don't do everything finish, don't do the house finish. He never sleep on night there. Mama can say, okay, instead of that, may I do 1 room, may I sleep there. You should sleep there after the burial. I don't want to waste time for the house again. They can't do everything. The same year. So when the festival, 6 months when my brother died, I still go back because I don't want my mother to stay lonely when they are do festival. Because my brother used to sit down here and do everything. Even though I not come, I don't say brother did there. Because if my mama see us, they happy. So I can't go after 6 months. After that 6 months, I can't repair 1 side. It can't remain 1 side. So that I don't want to go to sleep with my mama back again. You know to rush. Let me tell you, if you don't roof house finish, to do 1 flat, maybe say chair can't day, chair day, everything called day, say everything. Maybe you go to roughly 2 point something 3. You go 3 points for that 6 months. So I can say, may I use and motivate you now. So that made the people when you want to do something for village, no say, fear not day for village. Everybody true. They can't they do something back home. That fear, where they fear them, I can remove them. Who say make I show the house? Who say make I show the house? They say na toilet, na abuse. They say na abuse. I can't they look them. No? They say not do something back home when you live abroad. Good evening, sweetheart. How are you doing? They say why I will talk, make people do something back home. Why you go see Mate talk? Who one year come here, the intelligent one. It was saying the other one, the other line I did. Because I see Princess Rose sister just now. That one day I'm gonna go. If he say not be me motivate, I'll tell her to make you enter house. Every day for America, that one follow me. All those on the open shops. I tell them when you open shop, you see the way they come. Good evening. Everybody come, they do something, go home. I can't still enter, take your children down for where you come from. Because you born for this country, you not take your children, go make them know your property. You know good. Good evening, you go last. It's Friday. I can't say, take your children down to your village, where you come from. So that your children will know where your origin, here not be your country. They call the insults of Paika, who say make I talk on. Because they want to bring person down, take climb. Because me no worry. I no worry, I call they pray to Almighty God. But the people who beat me, let them grow. God, open their eye to see what I'm saying. Jesus, I call upon you. And not myself that they cost me. When I pray, my darling, if you want your prayer to work, pray for all your enemy. Let them, even document, I pray for document this year. Bang, bang, bang. If I lie, may I die. Because I know the problem people have. Where they nervous. But today, everybody's only, I use my passport to pray for people. But today, I go and look Facebook. Everybody's only passport. I didn't say I'm the one customer. But I know, when you pray for what you get, me people get that. God must bring it out for people that matters, and people who they cry for you, they jealous you. People, God will give them. You know. So, bamwelege. Things come the waka. Una de see now, we they do bombati bomba. You they telling me bombati bombati. Especially when it comes to your pack at tongue. Because sometimes, una know they no reason. Which I don't want to go there. You know want go there, come enter our brother. They come the yaba. I say bombati bomba, no rest. When I will see something way good. Now from them, they come, they say me, they say bini oh. Not be say I hate them oh. They are my heart. I was thinking, why you go bring person down, take climb? You not fit now. You call person arm robber, thief, this. That's where they build, you condemn man. You understand? After that one, I come to say, Loba shine your shine. Can't really carry children. Children, husband, they can't go house. When they go house, we're light alive. I'm the most happiest person on this earth. Because if I don't advise them, they don't go carry their children go house. I am the motivational speaker. I can't really advise. They follow my topic, oh. They can't they insult me, Donna, but the food where they hungry you. Don't spoil lamb. I bet my people are the con. Let me sign in here first because I know I'm saying it and you know, stop first, shine my wife. So I can't be happy, said yes. Whether he go renovate the house, whether na flat he carry, it's not my business. Only what I'm concerned as he take those children, go have. You know, because if take your children, go as well, I was so happy about that. I don't care about the house, whether you rent time, whether you do one, whether you blah blah blah. I see me now. Me see this all say, this one our old house now. They just renovate them. You can hear now when you say he renovate the house, you old house, he put on order. Glory be to Okpaika. I see come to charge go to renovate your house so that it will be glory. It can't they beat me. Then they beat me. Who now be mumu, not be all low. Mumu.com then. They can't join that, they insult me, they yab me. But today now let me play this record. You know why I be not want to do program about this thing. When I listen to the one when you do for YouTube, I say no, I will talk. Because if I not talk, I not sleep. I not go sleepy. You know why, my people? Because for my house, in my building, you say unless I show my house for Benin, I said no, I don't show my house because they are standing out there. I will show the street, and I will still show the street. My name, I did the Okpaika Street, because I'm the first person to open house for that village. You understand me? Believe village, you and not go for city. You hear me, Uber? You understand? Because money where they pay for the rent, still they pay for that village. So far, not Bini. So that they call Avilina. You know the way you build that for Kubai, they was in na village. My people, after all those things, you they hear me? You say, I'm a showman. You know why I'm proud of myself for what I do or what I did and the way where they talk. Me, my money now I take build my house. My more money, no donation. No man, no woman donate for me. I sweat. All my house, I sweat. The one where I go say I not sweat. And the one where they Italy, I not sweat for it. No, you both buy him. He give me. He get 3, he give me 1. He not get children. He not get will say tomorrow. Even though he go they born now, which I know the can't but when I married before. No be he not like children. He not like picking at all. Maybe to say he like picking. Now me for still for. If you go the Igbo profile, they not agree remove my name. Married to. See they say married to. Ooh. You dey hear me? Not because they still like married to who again? I go a problem. Remove on. Wa can't be. Una too mumu. Oyibo. So my people, oh God. My old house, I sweat, take build down. I suffer, take build down. No live video people donate for me. No support. I sweat with myself from work to work. People when know me for Italy, they don't say I will go clean bank, clean hospital, yes. Can't go do salon. Before they can't close black and white, I can't do only cleaning. Weekend, I will fix hair for us. So Saturday, Sunday, I will wake up early morning because people they can't do hair for my house. I will make sure I clean house before people go come. Or Sunday, I will wake up early because I will iron all our clothes, go reach my sister or my cousin where they with me. They don't know the time where they iron those ones. Keep on for each one of the room. Before I go church or I not go church, if people book me for hair, I will not go church. They gonna say my house na toilet. House when me use my sweat, my money build without donation. Without Facebook give me 1 naira. Now it make me do this live video. Instead of Lord shine your shine to appreciate, say woman, if you build that house, without man not join you. Only my sweat too. My house, my money not inside. So let my money. Now see the way I work. I be woman when I be work. And after that house, another one still there. When I say that, they say not be one building. Another one did the other side. Those ones don't finish you. As I say, if I go home now, I will show them where people they say not show them again, not show them again. Why I not show them? Make they say toilet not talk to us. You understand? Now him, my people. So let me, you people listen. Now this thing where I listen, now it piss me off now. Piss me off. I say no. I go first of all congratulations. And if you play this video, I will give her advice for this video. When you do.
Hope everyone is shining their shining their ass. Yeah.
I shine my shine. Not let me shine my shine.
Dominica's team forward never, backward never.
Yes. But as they do, I go they interpret. Me in a Monica's team. Me, I never get him. I work on myself to build my house. I don't have anything that support me. I don't have anything when support me. I do it my own, on my own. Jennifer Wago do it on your own. I motivate many people. Let's go.
Okay, see, we are at the site. Do you know where is this?
You know why I will say na me motivate Monica? Because this building is an old building. Abandoned project. That's what I want to answer them. No be say I want answer am for you. So if you like, you can insult me. Cause I know they care. But let me open my eye on Abimumu. This in project, if you look at the project, you know that the project is a old house. It's not a house of yesterday, last year, last 2 years, last 3 years, last 4 years. Oh, they do something. Not pay me. You dey hear me? This project is not project of yesterday, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. The house don't take. Maybe I'll feel hold for him because I don't like to hold something for him. You understand? If you see it, it's not a new house. It's an old house. But if it's not be me motivator, yeah, na lie. I'm motivator. Look at the building. I'm not saying make you look at love. Just look at the building. You can see all these things. Old house.
Why is she showing us this?
Yes.
Why don't do me? Why is she showing me this? Let me look around. Do you know this type of place just now? And snake. I think just snake.
You can see the house. It's old one.
This. My people.
You can see.
Are you
it's old one.
Another thing comment now. Yeah, that's for princess. I told you guys I'm here.
You see, it's old house, not the new house.
You see, you can tell me where I am. Where am I, guys? Forward ever for shine your shine. This place you are seeing, guys. Okay.
I wanted you to see the fence. Because the fence is the old cargo.
Okay? Because my people, not be everybody go feel. No, as I fed it in soccer now. So, our private house to make it more nicer.
Okay, let me pause there. Their private house to make it more nicer.
Private house level,
upgraded.
This is a going on project.
This one is ongoing on project. After they don't renovate, Okpaika made them to renovate the old cargo house. They renovate them to their own level, to their own taste. They renovate them to equip them. All the live video preaching and preaching, Mumu.com people. Now come they insult me. All the costs now they turn back to all of them. When you insult me, say wait till be do something back. Who was Beo? Who was well? Abe Mumu.com. Mumu people.
Right in Benin City.
Shine hotel.
You can see. Yeah, open it. Okay.
You see, okay. You people see what I want you to see. Oh my God. Okay. Oh God, no. Oh no. Excuse me. Wait till I want to now to see now fence. The fence. You can see the fence.
Let's go into
the fence is wait. The fence is old cargo. Old cargo.
Okay? Because my people, not be everybody go feel. No, as I fed it in soccer now. So our private house to make it more nicer.
Yeah.
That's in short.
Yeah.
Private house level upgraded. This is a going on project. Shine your shine hotel
level
right in Benin City.
Yes,
of Benin City. You can see. Yeah, open it. Okay. Okay.
You can see this. This is an old one. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
I want to show Una Momo. Some people will insult me. Yeah. Congratulations to her. Yes, of course. But you, if you write another one again, I'll kill you here. Let me delete it your own self or I block you. I didn't say don't go congratulate her for your work. Not be me. Now let me get right to say congratulations for you. Not be you. I get right to say congratulations, which I did before. You dey hear me? If you are barrack, only cassava do. May I tell you, this parlor when you enter, I will describe, I will tell you now what happened there.
But we're going to do it for our people. This
Okay.
This recession
All right.
is here.
You can see that, right? You wait, they put it there. When I finish, I block you.
Grace of God knows before.
You can see that reception, yeah? Have you been in my parlor? You never go my parlor before. My old parlor, I have reception there, where you can stay, drink, and whatever. That my house, if I want to turn out to hotel, I can turn out to hotel. If I want to turn out to renting apartment, I can do it. You know that? I can do it. Hotel, it not mean say you must build mansion. Hotel, you can turn your flat. Everybody go their room with their key. They pass reception. You like my parlor now. My parlor is so big, which I even they tell that the chair where they there. It's not normal for parlor, but it's not okay. It's not enough. I have to put more chairs to make the parlor fine because the big la it too do nyaka. You understand? He newly put that one because it's their private house before. Their private abandoned. You listen. He abandoned that project before. I'm coming. I'm going somewhere. This will not be insulted. Am I insulting her? My people, am I insulting her? Am I insulting her? No, I'm not insulting her. Oh, yeah, just listen. Let me tell you, girl.
Can do for shine your shine. We're gonna shine our shine 20.
20. Not be. I think I tell you now, say this 2020 is a great year. I pray for everybody. You pray for me. I say now beautiful year, smiley year, a year of shine your shine, a year of glory, a year of grace to grace. Una there they insult me. Eh? Una there they insult me. When I they pray for you here, that's all on our course. Una receive one for dream, for sleep, anywhere when I dey. Okay.
Oh my God, boss!
That boss lady, he always they give her money, but he not know he has to. He never go Benin want to. He not get land, he not get building. Boss lady always they put 50 pound dollar there. If you ask the boss lady now, since when you go home, he never go home since so. He never go home. Oh. He never go. All of them they be obey way.
Nigeria, don't fuck me up with this network. You better stand still. Thank you so much. Thank you, boss.
He don't give her money, the boss lady. He not get her so.
Much easier for me. Let me turn the camera. Okay, you see, Hotel Shine Your Shine, the heart, city of Edo State, Benin City, under construction. By the grace of God, I don't know everything and God get power. Okay? 2020, my people, when you are coming to Nigeria, and it's going to be a very good budget price for everybody to win.
You know what Shine Your Shine is doing? Let me explain this house for you. This house, it was this, you know what it's called? 4 flats, yeah? 4 flats, when Monica they built, see, you know, say we use and the insult and that time, say, you abandon a project. Flat, you abandon her. You not do one. So now, any way it can do, because they cannot go back. You remember when he turned on your level, say, you cannot do a decking because you don't know how much they do decking. Because he not fit do one. Now they do your decking. Because decking is very expensive. To do decking is very expensive. He not fit do one. He can't deal with on level, say, where thing with decking, a decking can't be. But now he do one. You know why he fit do one? You know why he fit do one? If people you know, may I tell you, you know why if you do this thing? Because if they carry, when they bring Destiny Cassava come, you use and make lots of billions. People where they say, okay, they bring person that you want to person program, Ogun Boluwaya, because who work better, because now they see roads. Ogun Boluwaya. Useless people. They not feel bad to go out so. You feel bad? So Monica Bay, I will congratulate her. But I won't give her some reason because he insult me so because of my building, because of my house. He said, don't make, they encourage people to do something back. He can't, they insult me. He won't bring my program down because the guy waiting that they put for tongue. You know, some people say, awase. Awase. If me, I won't do awase. Tell the girl viewer, my people, you think I cannot do it? Do you think, oh yes, son, ever give me precisely, you know if you do awase to collect money for your hands? I feel do now. Make I tell you now what it be our say. Now we. You see, something, right? Something. Now we they do on those days now. We they do for people now. Our say is you know something when you mold, they go mold down with medicine. Yes? When you mold down with medicine, they'll come put calories for the mat. You know, calories where you open mat to not the one where you close. Calories where they open mat, you put them for the center, right? When you put them for the center, it's like a band. Okwe. You know Okwe? No, now we no open eye. Now we stay with native doctor. Now we be oracle of what? Talk of who waiting. We say good bad thing, not good. Now I talk about that thing. What says that you see this parrot when they make the red one. You come put the tail where red, you put them for the mouth. Not be ordinary person they do, and maybe you go do a master, it say no, it will work for you, no. So that thing they will put them for a mouth, and it will come dry. When it come dry, now medicine will dry. As it dry, who give you? You go still mark your tongue. You go mark them. So before you go enter live video, go look. Even you need to save a live video. You have to view you go drop her. Anything say you people now they do. Una won't be mama. They ask now widow rice. Una won't give me one bag. Una want me I can't use our said the thought una for video. Before you can feed women. Before you can give me 10,000 to feed widow. Buy half bag of rice. Before now I come anybody will just do any here. Well. No. You understand? So, my people, that he has now building before. That's why he bring, una remember he bring one topic, say, you can rent apartments, not hotel, you can rent apartment. This one now when they say na hotel, yes, somebody can be a reception, but it will be apartment hotel. Which is the one that are raining now everywhere. Even if you want to rent an apartment for London now, you can do it. Any country you go, you want to stay with your family, which is still raining now for Benin. Yeah, we are going to Benin so because when I know say Naisha, now they must go past. But this one when they go, we have to rent an apartment because my friend is doing wedding. I'm inviting my friends, not my friends in UK. You know, I don't so much have friends here. Because that guy is too nice, he's so lovely. I invite people from Italy, from US, from Canada, you know, they should come at Germany. So all of us, we rent apartments. So where will we stay? So after the wedding, everybody can go their way. I can go to where I come from. That's where I belong to. You understand what I mean? So this house now is like apartments. Yeah, it's 4 apartments now. Rent this one, you rent the other one, you rent the other one, you rent upstairs. You know, it's a money, it's bringing money fresh. But he abandoned the project before. That one are your problem. Waiting me to talk. I they ask them whether I don't know. I don't pass there. I don't know whether they use juju, whether I know they use juju. Now you know who they use juju. My I don't explain awase. Una be mumu.com. So my people, after he don't condemn what me they do for evoking for Benin, for everywhere, he don't make una set back because he set una back where he make una brain where they here, no say brain they here. He can't carry a con here. Una brain not come they walk again. She una brain not come dey with una again. Only where una see say the right Message to Okpaka Beatrice, aka Agbete 1, aka Ole Diabetes, aka Wawa Rulaka Wawa. See now 1,000. It's getting to 1,000 viewers now. Because I write message to Monica. See? Ordinary program to advise you guys. Una no go wrong come. Monica, message to Monica. See all of them now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because the day nobody they go there. Trouble. Monica can't tell me finish my house. Now it's doing something. Osage they give people, children, books, this woman condemn that boy something. He insult her, insult the wife, insult the mama, insult the papa, insult the generation. He say he use the papa do money. He all got their family. Then they fuck up and down before they get money. Oh yeah, what did not tell us? Oh, say I found one night. Now we drag coco. But today now, I see say he like the program. Which I know hate her for that. I love her. Because it's not easy for you to go primary school and share something. It's not easy for you to carry food, fire, and go there. Today now, he buy mineral, buy this, buy the, go share them for school. Why he be say, waiting we like, we will spoil them. Waiting we like, we will use my condemn her. Finish. But end of the day, we will come the do one. Me, I not like that one. If you be that kind of person, stop her now. Your eye don't open now, right? You know, say, you don't know, nobody knows tomorrow. You don't know what you will do tomorrow. This orphanage of 18, you see, almost done for Benina. They are orphan. They are orphanage. Orphan. If you go in Shana, you know go see go orphan. Orphan the way they whether not two. One for Uromi, one for I don't know we another one they get far away. And the orphan who get her? Now pastor, Reverend Father. Reverend Father, the way they do for Rome, exactly what Ishan people are doing. Orphan when you go see, is for Ishan lamb. Oh well. Oh no, don't go YouTube. Yes, I will go YouTube. See you now, eh? You see you now, you say all of us we don't go YouTube finish all because of money. Me this one where they tell you I'm wasting my energy. I they waste my energy. Hello. Good evening. Oh, Furi. Hey. I sorry o. Okay, hold on. Oh yeah, go on. Talk. Talk. I don't know that one.
People they say they don't do something back home. Now they go they do go. Anyway, people they believe that they are pleased. I let that one want to come.
Because I don't need this insult. It's not time for insult. When insult to sick of, if he insult me, you know the way they do and me too. If na Saga 2020, as I do Saga, they do because you know why now? All the things where they do don't finish. I said no Saga this year, not be settled. But generating now, I don't finish what I do. And that's why it's my weakness. I don't waste time when I want to do projects. I don't waste time because I'm working. I work for it. Now, people, wanna listen to how interview that house. Una when donate now, I'm not going to for Kobodo.
Joy. Be the first to enjoy our room. This one, our receptionist place where they put, they keep money and all those things. Bar. This one, a bar where I just now where to put free food, drink. Yeah, now the first room. Want to stay in the first room? This is gonna be the first room. You walk like this, you walk.
Because don't they walk there, you know. Okay. I think you guys hear that say walk there everywhere me yama. Yes, because you don't take where you are bad on now. If to say he can't they follow my advice now. If they do a small. You know the way me rent money for bank or make it work kill himself. You understand? If you're not doing yama yama, now small. Even they not do floor. German floor, they never do one for this house. You want them to not be me motivate you, you lie.
The down floor rooms. Open. Thank you, my darling. Yay! Personal toilet things,
This personal toilet, they are all they inside room. They are okay. Personal toilet you used to join room. Visitor toilet, my own with they for outside. Outside, in case if I don't want anybody to enter my parlor or whatever, you can use yourself for outside. Therefore, just corridor there outside.
Since you call yourself free, I no need to call your family always along the time.
You understand? If you go there, don't call your family. Hide.
Shine.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Monica team. We are going higher, backward never, forward ever. Thank you for everyone that support me and say, Monica, no more reply to nonsense. Come and take over. Thank you so much, and to God be the glory.
So, if you the answer person, you know they build house. Because me, I the answer people that time they build my house. That's why people they give them money. They use their money now build a house because well, how many 4 hours job? Now Monica they do 4 hours job. 4 hours, mumu them. Mumu.com them. They not get house. Well, those they not get house. Mumu them. Who is belefu? They not get one single house. Monica team. I'm not saying me not get him. I don't give a shit. But he to say you know they bring people down. Now that one.
Okay, these are our rooms. You can see new doors. We just need to pour down. They don't even pour Jama floor. Now do ties. This place all the resting there. You may go bring.
You see, say now that they put Jama floor. For how many years building? He said make he praise me, come they condemn my own.
Okay. Jesus.
You see, you know what it be won't happen for there? Be one fall. Let me wind it back. It be one roll down. Be one roll for that step further. Let God save him because who roll for upstairs down when nothing they decide? Now God save him. Ologbo, pussy cat. Who can tell me what is the meaning of pussy cat in Africa? Pussy cat. When you are building a house, a pussy cat visit you for the first time. Pussy cat visit your house. He wait for you there. Pussy cat. Ologbo. Snake visit your house before you enter. Ologbo. When I they build my house for village, you know people where they go there, goats go your born. For there, I call the vet. Before I go, God don't born. Who get them? They'll say now our baba get them. I'm not feel. I'll say, hey, mommy, everyone beer. The God they want to pick his spoiler. I can say no, I'll go put it to if they want bomb, they go bush, go bomb. Not be my house they come bomb put. Yes, evil people. You see snake, you see dog, you see fowl, you see my life. My people. Africans, no.
Jesus.
Guy.
Yes.
If na here, I see Ologbo for road, I no run. Even for Africa, no they run. What you making? Ologbo. Why you did that? He did Jesus. Oh, since we're in Manane, Ologbo for Nigeria is a common thing. You know? That they pass you waka. Like obolo. Eh? You know? Wait till you get what I want to show now again. Anyway.
Let's see. Okay.
Ologbo.
Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, this hours. Yes. Why they wanna buy? So guys,
Okay. Now no waiting. Jacuzzi. That house safe. If I reason now, you'll see say no, maybe not being you safe. That house. In newly buying because why we wanna a jacuzzi tino and now we change it. Oh, one very plan yeah, do I'm with jacuzzi. I they come by people. Mona no vessel. So if the way is that by the way, house where you put project, Mona not so much talk about them because if I look at no say maybe person say help me look at whether they build and where. Whether the house whether I say they be do for me, maybe that boss lady. Whether they do away, my people it will not go away, my door was going again. One have me a video. But if we claim as in I or I take buffalo, if you're not jealous me.
many minutes now? Please, can somebody tell me? I just want it to be 30 minutes. This is the back side. This one also room. All together we have
And
2 rooms. Up and down.
if you look the doors where they there, they know they put that kind of house again. The door full of iron, like you know, for inside hot this they put iron. Iron everywhere, igaga, oh they baga, bogo. Now they thief. Now make person they do that. Now they now thief go open wall, go come meet you for us. Wall. If they sleep open wall, come meet you. Who the gaga yo, marry gaga yo. Yeah, we are the.
Shut your wait. Hotel for my people. No more price. Now Monica, now trust. When people tell us say you might too dear, now no feel rock and now me break that rules. Everybody can shine your shine. Bring your small money, buy your head, rock it. That is
But
zero B.
you know what the answer and when I listen like this say, now me break the yoke. Everybody can rock in head. Everybody can build house. Then when I build my house, you say not toilet. You say how dare I build house. Now you say now you break the rules. Now you break the rules or now me break the rules. My people comment, I want that comment. Who break the rules for stock? You know when you stuck in one place, you cannot move. Who break the rules? Who break them? Meredos get house for Bini. On nyaga. You get shop Jenna. Who break the rules? Wait, they talk true. Now not like us. Una one make we call the bolikiae. They tell una lies. When no ya dey, this one they come, this one they go. Now una like. Now una like. Now that one I just like. Who break the rules? I break the rules when I show my house. Everybody was mocking me. Hey. I break the rules. Say you can never stuck in one place in Jesus' name. You can do something back home by the power of Almighty God. I break the rules. That break the rules of you must buy human hair for them. The money you're supposed to use to buy block and mold block, they break the rules for you to be happy there to buy hair and put 1,000 weave on for here where you don't have land in Nigeria. They say they break the rules. I break the yoke to build us for village. I break the yoke. Do something back for your own community, your own Benin city. I break the rules. Do something for Yoruba. You know how many Yoruba they call me? I don't want to mention somebody this London. They reach 5. Both Yoruba. If you see the house here, mighty, they're not getting go house for Nigeria. When they go house, they'll go stay for hotel. And let them know, say that money you use to build hotel, those stay hotel, is a lot. That's why your children cannot go home. And my sister, the man get money. In a month, they don't build 4 flats. In a month, every day work at the work. If you see me now, that man, I don't know say the man they watch me, go say Okpaika. I can't they say why. Now my husband can't tell me say, see, don't go build house. The house now mighty. That's why you see when I say do something back home, my husband cannot stop me on live video because people they call and non stop him. Not all my Ishan brother, the one where they abandon for Lagos, that man say not be Ishan. They finish them. They send them for me. Only I don't want to narrate them. I don't want to put their name on Facebook. You know how many Benin people they call me? Mama, house, Bikla. I say they do am, and they give them. That many times I not confused because if people can come here, I advise them. Hey, Mama, how much for block now? I don't know. I don't want me to cheat me. Mama, see how much. They will call me, Mama. See how much they say they will take do decking. Wait till I tell them. Hold on. Where the house they'll tell me. I say, let me check. I will help them call. One time, they'll tell me. I'll come call them. See how much they talk. Not let them cheat you. Because, you know, these are our brother. They like to cheat. They like to cheat. Even when my phone safe. Okay. They like to cheat. They like to cheat.
No more I sleep as yes, may come and narrate you. Come to shine your shine hotel. Enjoy yourself and shine your shine. Everything available. Just pray, make God do on time.
God go do it for you. You go finish. Why not?
No time.
You go finish. Yes. You go finish in Jesus' name. But stop bringing people down. You go finish and why not? God that give you power to start it, He will still give you more power to finish it.
Yeah, my people. This is the area.
You will see say now everything here, the molding. The molding. Let me show you. The gate hold don't they? Because it don't take. The whole they lose the gate hold don't they? You see this block is new block, it's new molding. I will show you the gate hold they hold. It don't rot. They look the gate to put eye for gate. Hold on they that gate. The gate hold they there. You see everything there? All this one are new. See, I do not see. See how for you see how forget. Now see how forget. Yeah. So I am the motivational speaker. Yes. Now me motivate people, not be you. Only you they beg money for live video. You beg for them to help you build your house. Which Okpaika they work for building my house. You know? I pray to Almighty God that He should bring money for you to finish the house. God will help you to finish it. Because God that started the house for you, He will still empower you. He will still give you money to finish it. But stop bringing people down. Stop disturbing people that they want to do something. But immediately I start, I get one useless man when he come for double then. I can never forget that day. He said when he go Benin, he stay for hotel, he not stay for years. Because now I say you now that time saga come the start. Oh. I tell the man, say the house where you build for Benin, now face me, I face you. If you build standard house, why you go sleep for hotel? If you build, people where they stay for hotel, where they come from this UK, you know, say they are on process. That they build their house. They never finish. That's why they stay hotel. But immediately they finish, they must reserve one this thing for their self, one flat for their self. If you not fit, you can go and carry mopo to guide you to daybreak. Nobody is doing you anything. If you prefer, say everywhere is jaga jaga, everywhere na raga raga. Somebody can just go and pay for police and mopo. They'll help you stay there. So why are we bringing ourselves down when you know that woman is doing a great job, is saying something who makes sense, is giving you advice on Facebook? Yeah, you say no, now your hand, the thing will reach, now you will get power. That's why now, if you put something for markets, me, I will wait, I will won't bring you down too. People come, they say, oh, you lacking that? Una they crazy. When did they bring my old down? Where on a day? When did they bring my old down? We on a den wagbe no aswa wa gogwa no somebody na gboli ba re ofio mebe na when they say people don't we baba mio those people not be everybody those people that insulting me then na we get ba fiabo re bu okoki sano you know matches empty matches where na dey see now mama I for not talk puto. He gets where he talk. I say, people they donate money for you to build us. You can't insult my guy. Me gallant woman. Me I supposed to be big my wife, man. Only I don't want to claim that one. Because any woman can walk by himself. He build his own house without support of husband or kokobe or boyfriend. Now I be gallant woman. Yes. Yes. You stay for online, they collect people money. They say you are a no. Why? You are a poor woman. Don't say so. When next time, when people they do good things, right? Let us compliment them. Let us appreciate them. Let us love them for what they are doing. I know, even though people they say, now what they did. I know so many people build a house. I know so many people do something great. Yeah. What are we not saying? Leave a bad way low. Some people go enter life with them. All your mate don't leave you. Then we not back and move. Back and this. I see one live video just. I say, what did they worry this one? Go and find one land so that you can be occupied. Leave up. Peka is going in. See, Monica is moving forward. Okpaka moving forward. When I do video, live video, actually can't. They insult on herself, insult on her mama, insult on her papa. Okpaka is doing great. You there for live video money tonight, you did break. Okpaka. All your mate is building a house. So the one whether you say you build it a half, or you not finish. They say Okpaka. Is that your problem? Is that why you are here? Monica, oh, you know now. Monica, oh, see now. You people are narrating on Facebook, insulting. They are doing great. Why now? Why can't you stop when we bring advice? Take it, not your only advice. Or not be always. People will say, don't do something back. No. They are teaching you how to put pennies for your figure. Italian say figure. They are teaching you how you will take put rubber for your distance so that when they are doing great. They are giving you evil to hold for your hand to punish yourself. Rubber dick, rubber da, rubber dick. They are selling it, they are building a house. Only what you know, you are chucking rubber to yourself. Hey, you think you can pursue me? You can meet me? You know. Tire way different. The back one of the meter. I don't already go. Finish. I don't go. Red there, just continue. I don't want to see who put red there, whether you the vest. I don't want to see her here. I go block you. Not be offended when I block you. Whether you be my team, oh. After you say, Mama, you think the vest because what you do. No, don't put you the vest for my ear. Go and vest for that side. They're there. They're not fit do something back. All that on one live video every daily basis. They are insulting Okpaika. Okpaika ne resist. Okpaika na resist. He na resist to many people. Okpaika don't know what they do. They yes and don't want la wa. Yes and kokari Okpaika etas. Okpaika na resist on your wa muyana. If they want make people support them, they will say I be resist. No, they do. If they look all live video presenter. Eh? If they want make people insult me, they'll say Okpaika na resist. Now there you can see some foolish ones. They'll come they use comment. Hey, not like us. Hey, not like us. But when I motivate you now, where on they? Where go? Where on they? Where on they? Tell me. Monica don't move now. You don't live now for shit, for mess. Me, as you see me so, now me first tell you that day. When I start that, they say, okay, since they yab me because of hair or whatever, let me try to. And they say move, but I don't have that time to say hair. Now me be that all. Anything I put for this table, they won't buy it, even though that shit. Mommy, I need makeup. Mommy, I need hair. Mommy, I need the. I say, hey, oh, Baba. Now that one you can't do for abroad. Hair. You see the way I carry my local? We are the one that started hair with my hair. When my hair was 1,000. That time, you know, we'll see my hair way heavy. When you, even though you put 5 kilos for your head, it will still light, it will long this year. Now, when people say that they use a cavallo, horse, take miss hair. Now they big to hell. We don't use hair, we don't barb hair. We do low cut. Come to London here, everybody's natural. Natural hair. Natural hair with color. Now Europe people want, I've been on a get money past people where they do care work. You know how much they pay care worker. Ordinary cleaning here for London hospital cleaning. You know how much? You know how much? Now they there. I can't. They didn't wish it. They didn't again. So they give me this live video. I bear all. I say, God, fight my fights. God, disgrace them. God Almighty, tell them the truth. Tell them the truth. Let your people know the truth. The truth shall set them free. I think you have seen the truth now. What else do you want to see? What else do you want to see? Just tell me. Say, this is what I want to see. Tell me. Tell me, say, now this one, let me want to see. What do you want to see? Person, a mother, you go sit down and say, let me give my people, my lovely people, because I know how it is when you are not doing something back home, because this country is very easy to chop money. Maybe you pay light bill, pay house rent, pay this, pay this. The remaining one will be few. But if you don't know how to manage, you say, after all, I beg him. But when I bring it, say, save. See Abraham, they here. Hilary White, they there. Hilary White don't finish his house. He don't finish his building. Now, this platform, all of the day, when they talk, who take the advice, intelligent people, they move with fast. Say, this woman, you are saying the truth. Now there, Monica Igbine John Day, he rush in house. The guy when he vow say, he will never, now he be the first person to call, say, at the fear village, I know if he go village, my children, no, God forbid, snaky, But I can't surprise, he's the first person to build house in a book before the rest follow. I say, yeah. As they do, and so they send her come, mommy. As they send her come, and they tell her where till they make, and they encourage her, more. Now the house don't finish her. The house not finished. You see the house. The rest follow. You know why I love my Oyin people? They don't play with me. They don't joke with me. Go read the king. You know, say, this video, when I finish, somebody will go show. They know, you know, say, I'm saying the truth. He encouraged me. I have to encourage people. Go to a way and you see all the way abandon their project. They stock. I call those ones stalking. Go see, they do something back. This Easter, I'm not worried. I will show all of now. Easter, come and see us. We are many. Fear not the let the rich ever him. But you know why me? I prospect my travel. I want to do a mix of them. When people they fear, give them that confidence. Say, hey, so mama, let's go home. Mama, we'll go home. We rock on night and day. Everybody will shake. They will not say yes, we come. You understand? So don't let us bring each other down. It's not nice. We they fight, oh, we they do anything, oh. They say bring the person down, not to do something back, oh, and you they do. It's not good. It's not good. Very soon they not will believe in you again. Anything you talk na yama yama. But some people when get pennies, they like that thing die. It's good to register. Makeup where they do free, that they do it with money. But it's good to register because it's not easy for you to buy makeup without somebody supporting you. You know, if I buy makeup, now makeup, I don't go wash now. Not be ordinary my face be that. Una know why they rub calamine lotion? Because it protects all my rashes. This thing, I don't want to get scrum. As my face, I know the bleach. The color when my face bring on you, they see so I have to protect my skin. Sorry, please. Let's support one another and empower these people. They don't know what they are doing. Some people, they receive 2,000. Before a month, it don't finish. They don't know what they are doing. You know. When they do that program, my husband even tell me, say, who give you that brain? This program when you just bring so. He get the time when Facebook they hot. He won't stop me. Somebody just call and say, no, stop him. I don't know say that one the builder. The builder finish send her for and say, if it's not your wife, I will not do this. Please leave that woman. Is intelligent woman. He say your wife carries something. Leave her. You understand? Leave her. You know what she's doing. But please, I beg you, Monica, if you come back, motivate people. Tell them how much you build that house. Tell them how many years you started to do it if it's yours. So that he tell me, say, I use 100 years build a house. He said that house is why I don't build that. Me when use 100 house build house now. The gates, the fence be one rotty. It can't be brown. I don't know. It can't they grow feed. You understand? They should continue. Let's do something great. When I know the way I do. When I finish now, I go back to my video and know what I talk. Whether I talk something way not normal. But when I see your comment, it's bad. They are very sorry because my program, the one is coming, is very hot. Bomba. Bomb. Because I don't want to release things now. And I need people that already finished their house. When you don't finish your house, you never put flame. You know when you finish a house, you roof am. What are you supposed to do? You ask me, I can give you. We can continue from there. Yeah, let me start follow you because since 4 days now, I'm following 6 people. I'm putting them through step by step what they're supposed to do. Some in Germany, Italy, you know. I'm telling them the step by step. What do you have to do next? 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 so that it will be very easy. You understand? So let's empower each other, not bring anybody down. If not, that our do, will come great. It will come be mumu.com people. You know? So please, you understand? Let's support one another. Let's stop bringing people down. Una bring me down before. That's why they say like to they bring people down. One thing, if una they follow me, you are my follower. Maybe Isha and Bini gather. They gather do something. Like one, you, a live video presenter, you can select this Isha and come and say, a platform money na na wa go yes and wa when you know there are many. There are many like this. If somebody you want to insult people with my platform, don't select. Say all of them where they you not see where who insult those people say mumu follower, call them mumu follower like that. Don't select. Because by the time you select, now they are the fire. You just select this and come over beg. No, when you they live do me, they live do. No. I don't agree. I'm not agree. When you do like that, now you be the racist. And I will fire you. I don't give a shit. Let them say they bring people program that because when this one will say I be this, I be that, I be this. You understand? No, don't select. When group gather, insult those group, you go good for ear. When they say, oh yes, Anna, a bog by motor by you walk. I don't agree nah. Who does that? Who be racist between me and now? Who be racist? Between me with Una, who be racist? Opakara. Who is racist? Yeah, why won't be some kumba with them? And not by way, yes, some people don't love you. Why can't you find something good do? Leave me alone. Do something good. I pray for everybody. Whether you do me bad or you not do me bad or I must pray for you. For you to grow. For you to grow to know what I'm talking about. For you to see what Opaka is saying. Opaka and evil is spoiled everywhere. All platform shit put. No. Very soon Narita will you go mansion. Which I'm not jealous of them because before they will reach me, go take. Me, I was expecting Bush Lion get house for Bini, which you not get to stay for hotel. I never want you don't ever see me say I stay hotel one day. No. Where I go stay for hotel, maybe I just come down for flight. I cannot go to Bini. I can stay a day. The next day, my flight in the morning. Or if I don't enter flight, I enter bus. Very soon, you sit down on our money. You go hotel. Whoa! Tomorrow, if I tell and say Rita, congratulations. No, can't they beat me? You not be mumu na. You not be mumu. But if I say give widow food, you dey vex 419, kruku, orphanage home, you open, you do this, you do that, you do that, you do that. Somebody like, sorry, EF say I put on somebody like EF, no, not see building. No, not see building. The building when you put for beneath there, where that for flat. Now you own. Now you own. He not use people money building. Before this orphanage just say guangwana come. He not use people money repairer. He not use people money builder. He work for it. He do taxi. He do many things. He take and build the house. The building fine. He can't put and say make children the user because of those some children with this streets. Do you think say he use money people? I not use person money build my house. Those kind of people, you get where I respect them. Only waiting make me and that one can't get crash. Now when you go to Sage get crash, when I try to one settle them, you not agree. I be the support them now. You not agree. Why you they do like that now? Because of foundation. Now you now with the quarrel. Foundation. Which is supposed to be peaceful way. They say I'm not good. You want to bring people down. Not be like that. I try to make sure we come on. Una not agree. Una not agree now. Una agree. I try to make sure we come back. Like, they not agree. Obiesan. That one come matter come up that time they carry come. Now me no dey the team they quarrel while you carry come dey there. I can't talk and say you for no carry come go there. Because I no want make more fight dey. That's why I do my own. You for no carry come go because the one that they will never settle. They carry come go. Hey, you want scatter? You want scatter? You want do this? You want hey? I look these people, I laugh. Me when they the foundation, I don't. Me when come as I can say you for not go there because I don't need quarrel. No, that the quarrel gay. You for hold your con. Hey, Okpaka, Nabado, Ivo, the na winsho, the na there. But you buy. You are rebe nyo. You are rebe nyo. Another one don't come look like me. All of them will go now. Line up. Any you think me and they ask me say. If I'm on 10 now, I think I know fit. Smart woman. She say I know fit. But I look at the money. Evil money. When you will take builders, will you go why was saying go has go just collapse for your head. Has go just collapse for your head. Now here there. So my people, if I talk, what be this? What you pull? You know, when I will talk now, they ask another baby as like if you like me now. You know, some people they are not the mind. They are those. You don't know now. You get some people. Since when they start life, if I won't answer, they'll say stop. And I know the answer. You know why? They're not rich. They're not rich. They be toy. They be toilets. We went gallant now. They respond. See, Monica, I don't say gallant. See, say I answer her. I don't answer her because I just tell her what I feel in my stomach. What you do me when not good. What you say I ain't they do now. Don't jealous. As I do your own. Don't be jealous. We gallants. The gallant ladies. Mommy love starting now, so the finisher. Oh, wow, oh wow. Who say me mommy love show your house? Oh, yeah, show your house, make you know how it be quick. It's giving you the cocoa, every dish, every high taste starter. What give ya? What are you comment together? Hey, mommy love now this. I shall go bring back. I'm mother your friend. Obu fast. Today now we on that day. Where on a day, una don jogodo. Una don jogodo. Before YouTuber became yes, what is my business? What is my business? Anything we lay our hand put. Some people they say, Mama, they put your YouTube make fast. It's a rock put on your affect ocean. Fait qu'aucun, nada se gare leo. Fait qu'aucun. I know they open my YouTube to do saga. My YouTube is to give you wisdom, advice, protection, what you will do. See this sickness where it come and will never get you. You see, say I talk again. Not be doctor, you not be doctor. I'd say me when they work follow doctor. That means I'm not doctor. Even though you be cleaner for hospital. Now you a cleaner no more than doctor. Cleaner. Because they work with all the patients. They know how it works. When you bring the advice, come here. Are you a doctor? Are you a nurse? Are you a this? Are you a doctor? I stop. Who are you? I'm coming. Because I'm only what I'll call my family. Do this, do that, do this, do this, do this. Who they closer to me, I advise them about sickness going on. Whatever. Some people know they look news. News, they know they look. Now they look. Okpaka, Monica, love, this, that. They not look news. No news. Eh? Well, mommy. Oh, Baba. Una see una life. Mama. Thank you. Eh? Make we forget that thing. Magolo. Jago Zoni Boyaba. Now they can't say Ishan people. Ishan people not like you. They disgrace Ishan people. Oh. Meanwhile, they give advice. I mean, they disgrace Ishan people. And you will just come live. They not get anything to talk. That to see the talk. I know, thank you. I know, darling. I know, my sweetie Porero, my love. I go bring something today here. Not be everything you get, you will come bring on Facebook. Oh. Because you don't know the jealousy where you carry and go give them. They will use their fucker dream, spoil your program. Not be only your program, your spirit, what you go to the side, I be the build house, so thank God. They will tell you not to build the house. They will condemn that your house. So that you can buy pen, a kiroba. You understand? Can you imagine? Solomon, I'm fine. And you? Now today, I know they look, you just the waka pass. Now so you will still go there and I say, now useless woman, you know they look. Eh? Anybody where they insult, no, they reply because I know they read comments. Because when I finish, I'm going to block that person. Those are not for sure. YouTube made for sense, not for trouble. But he reach we will be at those states. We are going there for insults, cause. Because we need viewer. Because more you view, you know what? More you, that thing not go make Saga stop. You not go make what stop. Because when you go to YouTube, more you view, more you talk, more you get money. More I insult people, more viewer come, more I... You just say, if I want to carry this thing, or listen, I don't want to go there. No, be say, I get one secret where I want to go to YouTube. No, if you like, subscribe. When I see say my time reach, everything when they here, I'll come the player. Go reach. Our this gentle lady where we talk about, so go reach. Now me get Benin. Anywhere you go, information minister. Today when they primary school, near back of their house. That house where in grew. I like borrow this thing there when they for solo. I look and I laugh. I like borrow way for grow back of their house. He did there. I look when I look the primary school, I said this will not be a like borrow this thing. Yeah. Come, my lady. That was then. Ovi, lovely. You say people like to do something back home because thank God say I could grab that your comment. But the family will not let them see the money. Yeah. Now so then you there abroad. When I dey here, more family build house for you. More family build house for you. You know how many people I don't build house for? Come on, dear. Not they talk like that. You still dey backward. Make I tell you, when you start your house with another family, your family now will not respect themselves. Say make the money not pass. Highest thing, if they want chop your money, they will come chop small. Meanwhile, they say they not they chop my money, but it's not like again. Because you know me now. Somebody don't write that kind of comment to they piss me off. Whose family not the chop person money? But now small. I tell you now, when I first start my building, yes, I know where my land is. I just send big class for Benin, go and look that land for me. Mama, show her where my land is, or I live on. You go show her now because you don't want me and not build her. You want me to build house? You show her the land, me and Big La talk on behalf of my mama, on behalf of my sisters. You look and finish, I price her. If you like, you cheat me. If you don't like, you not cheat me. It's not my business. When the Big La now come, they do everything on you. Hey, now there my junior sister, hey, he carry this. Hey. I say if I give you, go do away. Your own number was, he said no. So I said, okay, I give you. I don't want yet, we don't want quarter because I don't need make me our family scatter at all. As we dey peace or love, let the love lead. You start to the do. Since when they do, we never quarrel. Now you do and finish. A day. Now you do and finish. But now I want me say, man, I not give her money. Maybe if you tell me say, sister, we won't do maybe silly now 1 million. Yes, 1 million. I'll give her 1.1. I'll tell her say the remaining 100 now your own. No. So if I do like that, how can she or her chop my money? Because you are staging. You don't want to give at all. You don't want to give. You don't want me to chop. If you say somebody message, now you born her. Now you give you your picking safe. Okay, mom. Even my son, when I send her a message, say see what you go. Mom, yeah, fuel will work. Now you tell me. And they even they call and say no. Whether I don't sleep. Fuel will work. Alaikum. They tell me say fuel will work. Because I try to call her since, which he never even answer. Fuel will work.
The number you're calling cannot be reached.
Yeah.
Try later. Goodbye.
They feel me. Since I dey call her, me I tell her say, I put money for your account to my son. You know, he never carries this money. You understand? He go tell me say fuel go work. You know what it be fuel? I have to feel her now. If you are not feeling, no go. Because you not be your ass boy. Forget it, you don't born for the. You go tell me say, mommy, if you don't know job, they wait for me. Job of 100,000 mommy. Job of 200,000 mommy. They wait for me. So if you don't fuel me, I don't leave my job. Oh. I know beat on now. May I beat on? I know say you need money now. So must I be putting money? You have to do your job. Which I'm proud of my children. They know say mommy don't try. Let them stand on their own. You understand? So if you want to do great job, forget about go and do it by yourself. Find somebody who will help you. If you get the land already, tell your family, I better help me show that sister where my land dey, mommy, or where this one dey. They go start. You and Big La na direct call, Big La Hafa. Video call na day. WhatsApp video call. Show me where you don't reach. Now those days now, Big La show me where you don't reach. If your mama and your papa do anyhow for there, if they go, they'll call you, see what your mama want to do for you to do. Sister, he cheat you. They will talk. So far you tell her, say, they tell me the truth. Oh. You understand? So, why not? Yeah? All this. I feel coding people. Leave there. That if your coffee go wherever there is your coffee. Now they know. I don't want stop her. I don't want stop anything for anybody. Let them do whatever. Only waiting me know be say when somebody is doing something, don't bring that person down. When I don't start my own and I like to bring people down. Who fair bring me down? I go bring everybody. You reach my tongue. Oh no. You leave a pot. You understand, Olive? If you want to do something back, don't wait. If you don't know who to call, contact me. I will help you. Sister Ade, God bless you for your love. Sister Ade, since when you open it, or you there for God's family. He not say make his scatter God's family, go open your own. He see there. You open your own. You know not say your sage they go. If patient, they worry some people. You know, since society, they go there up and down. Help and check, help and do this, help and that. But you not say because in day there, making you close, making you the rain. No. Which I'm proud of that woman. You know, I'm proud of that woman. Yes. I'm proud of that woman. May God continue to bless that woman. And bless the handwork. And bless anywhere where they work. So that I can bless people in Benin. How many times you don't put pot for fire? Make a cook for a widow. You know they. After you are waiting for a blessing to come forever. Where? I beg. Mona go clean una eye. Clean una nyash. So that you can receive the blessing of God. May the Lord Almighty forgive each one of us. Because what we do, I will not separate myself. We offend God a lot. We bring people down a lot. You understand? You know who caused that? When you bring me down, they comment for them. What can I do? I will bring you down. One lie. You crazy? You don't mad before. When I know will bring you down. I beg you. When will they talk, eh? Thank you, my darling, my Asian brother. Brother Robert, God bless you. Nobody can bring me down. Unless if I don't need your progress. But if you are a 419 on social media, I look the God I serving have given me a vision. I see that you are not a true someone. You want to bring people down. You want to chop people money. Now, you go just they pray, make you not use one single mat near my stain. Because if I say before one, you can't stay me. Somebody like Bush Lion, I continue saying it. Because you plan to stop people blood, which I will not accept that. If the lie made the same cockroach, just for village where I for come, woman on the whole ukure. You know ukure? Woman on the touch. It's for man, for the elderly people. When you be say nowadays na woman will come say that thing go dey worry una for sleep. You no. Idionica one and no one I deserve for Facebook. Eh? I bring advice come here. Don't because of document marry woman. Nobody. Now few people marry without no document now. And they're happy. Now document come. That kind of house, you can never see quarrel there. Because they don't marry you because of document. You don't marry them because of document. Because Italy, I know say two people they born, they don't have document, they will born. End of the day, they will receive the glory of God. But Europe, Germany, the rest country, they are waiting for document before they can marry. They'll come let their wife go meet another man. Then they'll come marry nonsense. Where be say, you enter 2 minutes, you don't divorce. Who bring the program? No program where I never bring on this Facebook. No one they like. I feel no I like. You can not tell me kia uwe. Anyone presents. Present. Register 10,000. Quick. 25 euro. No, they add them. 25 euro. You know they add them. That 25 euro. You say save and small for where. I not say beg a fair now. I not say me not beg. I not say me not beg anybody. But me when they say. Me when they say. As he dig grave, now you go fall into the grave. That grave. I go make sure you enter. You understand? So my people. Now here I reach you. Now here my gesture. Reach. So make we they do good. Don't bring one another. Because it's not nice. If to say no, they bring people down. Nobody go people they insult them since now. Nobody go insult them. They go praise them. They go congratulate them. You know. Because they don't do before, it don't spoil person foundation. It spoil people say what they do for Benin not good. It call many foundations say na 419. You do. That's why people on live they say you too you be 419. You too, you be this. Now you make am. If not, nobody will curse am. Nobody will insult am. Why? Why? You know, nobody. Let us love one another. What did they do when not good? It's time. We should stop. Let's stop. See me there, those now go carry a nails, go come they teach you now. If not another person go say make you register 10,000. Do you know how much they take register for you to teach you how to fix nails? We will bring and come live video live and direct. You know, we appreciate us. You now see the cost us join. People when not get what they do for live video now na the praise. When they not get work, they will go on live video insults. If you cook, na wahala. If you sweep your house, na problem. If you maintain your house, na problem. Only their hand, they want to see them. Only their hand. That's evil. Me call that one personal evil. See Precious men that they cook. Say, auntie, hey, I like him, yummy. Which he cook past me. Now they see what he cook. Sometimes if I see what he cook, he frag, I like him. Hey, I will call him Precious men. I want to do what you do. I want to, and they hungry me. I go do. Sometimes I go cook for you. They say, Mommy, that thing when you cook, immediately they go market. I want to finish. Now be the love we have for each other. Not be say, yeah, because you cook. Not be say they cook and sell now. I know they cook, they sell. Oh. What if you join hand together with the cook? You cook your own. You not good? Must you spoil them? Me to say if I stop, they will start. I'm waiting for them now to put pot for fire. No do. But you not do it, they not go do it. They will never do it. But don't do it. They'll say, Mama, not show them. Useless people who they hate. They not be like that. All fingers are not equal. Men, especially men, Isha men and mommy, cook that a goosey. I never get chance to cook. No say Isha men, they like this in where. They like her. As I they cook, I don't know say all those my brothers. Mommy, that your goosey now wow. For a year I go cook. All some people come say, Mommy, oh yeah, give me no. I'm happy when they say I like your soup. I want to carry. I'm happy. Give me joy. You give me joy. That's my hobby. You know. So why can't us learn and leave the disgrace for devil? Because disgrace, it belongs to devil, demon. It's not for a child of God. You understand? That they search for who they want this one, who this one will help. Somebody go dress now, where we go dress. They will go see one pinch. Say stretch mark, don't fool your hand. They will say, come and buy organic skin to cover. What's your business? Skin when it's here finish. It will be your own. That's why even the organic skin when you buy, now so you go use an bleaching cream now. When you bleach too much, your skin must open. They try for cooking, man. That woman, they trust they will kill me women now. You know, say mama never kill me now. Oh, man, no, will kill me. Be a got a neighbor. I have a gamma of your big bookman. I keep got a yalom of you. Why a woman don't know how to cook? If you don't know how to cook, you are your own. Means usaka me. Then they worry you. When your mama they cook, they run up at that. They find cassava. That's why you see some people now. They're not. They'll husband has pennies. Matthew come. Grace come. Goodness come. Hey, everybody go let you. Because now waiting they do right from time. When you be book on yakara, when you even be girl, anybody will come up for husband ask you not do with your husband. They go like I don't go blame you. But say you there with the man, they do have your colleagues. So let you so le coco. Ya. Di tall wena. Edine wa. Oni sancho edine wa. or tolo. You need tomatoes. Now not see that guy where use tomatoes and pepper, they wash it. Because of tolo, you don't know what he go do. Now he can't they put pepper. He can't they wash and like who they wash your clothes. Yes, wash and make it no crack. You leave all those swallow and the one where their bread don't spoil. I don't want to go juju side though. Anybody will like on my platform, I don't care. If you like, will be 10. If the 10 is doing great, am I not happy, guys? If you follow me, if you follow person where they talk true, if they show you road, you can't be great. Are you not happy? You will be great. Not because me or let me they grow, make you go down. That one me I know they like her. As I they grow, I want you to grow. Follow me by fire, by thunder. People where they build us now, they know the way we they do now. Not be only me they build us, they know we they do. Everybody they get your own team. But as I they grow, I want my team to grow. Follow me. Not be setback. Everybody get who you love. You can choose who you love. It's not must you must love a piker. That woman that they throw away my it is saying me they do. May go look YouTube. When you there Facebook, you not gonna know who hate you. When you reach YouTube, now you gonna say, yeah, people not like me at all. Go look the comment. When me go look comment, I say, yeah, I will like Okona. Can't see disgrace for there. Cause madam etasi, madam this, madam go look. You dey hear me? All the comments, everything where they did now, boo. Everything where you talk, they make up. You know when they turn up like this, boo means you are stupid. Some people will let they carry their video, they know they look me and they go look YouTube. But when I look how many like I get, I'll go look the comment. If I know say na boo, I know they look at all. I know say they don't insult me die. I just bring up. You there na very soon if Naija carry my video like go YouTube, some people go comment bad. If you see say like, I will go look the comment. If I see say boo, I know will go there. I go know say they don't insult me finish. They don't cause a pack and die. Yeah. It is a talk good thing now. You know, live video people they call. It's okay. It's alright. It's a this. It's that. When I can't go YouTube, give me. You above viewer. Now say yeah. No gonna I call you call it there. You me too was support at this one they support the woman. So now cause he go receive for the other side. Irioji. Now so life be. I was blaming myself. Irioji. You know. So hey God, if you know that, right, you have already finished your building, right? You don't put what they call it, zinc. If you don't zinc you call me. Let's start from there, so I can from there follow you again. Because when you know say you don't build and finish, you know. When you build that, you know, say you just window just they pour like this. You see the Monica just and some people some they wear cement never even enter. So if you know say you don't reach that kind of thing, you don't sink because I know say when you build 2 flats, right? So money when you take sink is almost 1 million. Oh, my battery want to go off now. Let me charge this thing. You know say is I know say you go hold like 1 million to do roofing. Yeah. When you don't finish for there, we know the rush. I will not tell you what to do. And I will tell you what is the next, how much it costs. Don't let people cheat you. You know? How much it costs. Yeah. You know, say when you don't do that one finish, waiting next, now flame. After flame, you can make silly first. Before you put flame, you can make a silly PVC or whatever, so that if there's metal, whole no good day the round. When you don't do all those one finish, if you want to know about the PVC or whatever, if you did beneath, you don't see anybody, let me know. And if you need Pombra too, let me know. Okay? I have Pombra, I have who they do PVC, whatever. If you want calf chair, you know say chair where they use hand calf, now heavy pass. All of the day beneath, you let me know. So by the time you finish that one, yeah, if you don't finish the silly or whatever, it will be frame, the frame, door frame. You know, I'll still tell you how much be the door frame. When you put the frame finish, before plastering, you can plaster the wall. After those one, before we now go to ties, you know, ties where you put for ground or whatever. Okay, so depends on the yes, darling. Yeah, yes, it's true. You understand? So my people, see you. I love you all. Happy Valentine once again. Monica, please stop bringing people down, because it's not good, and stop encourage them not to do something back home when you are doing something back home. Please, my darling. If you like, you insult me, I don't care. That the truth have to be said. You hurt me last, but I don't want to hurt anybody. You call my house a toilet. Your own now, I don't know what I will call that house. Your own house, man. You see, you have a flat for Bini. That's so my OP. You see, you have a flat. That's so my OP. Not only that one, but the grace of God. I work for it. I'm not the proud though. I don't ever tell you say I be gallant woman. Oh, I be the most. If I reach Nigeria, na leg I dey tell you work leg. And they use motor. Leg okada, taxi. Where poor man enter, na that they enter. Because no one is bigger than one. Nobody knows tomorrow. You understand? Bye.